Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα. Today we have chicken breast mixed vegetables with rice, a dish that you're going to love. The ingredients are half a breast of chicken, mixed vegetables, rice, garlic cloves, curry, olive oil, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. We're going to need a non-stick pan, medium to high heat, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Let the olive oil heat up for a couple of seconds before we add the garlic. Now, when we add the garlic, we want to cook it for around 20 seconds and constant stirring so we don't burn it. Let's add the chili flakes now and carry on cooking for another 10 seconds while constant stirring. Now it's time for the chicken breast, which I already chopped up into little bite-sized pieces, which we're going to cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. After a couple of minutes of cooking, let's add 2 nice pinches of salt and 1 nice pinch of pepper. Near the end of cooking the chicken, it's going to start to release some juices. Don't worry, it ain't going to dry up the chicken at all. When you start seeing that juice in the pan, that's when it's time to add the curry. And give it another 30 seconds of cooking time. The curry and the chicken juice is going to make a great little sauce, which, when we add the mixed vegetables and especially the rice, they're just going to absorb all that sauce and give so much flavor to this recipe. Let's add the mixed vegetables now. I bought them from the supermarket already cooked, so all we have to do is just warm them up. Let's add the rice now, which I cooked ahead of time. Give it a really nice mix so the rice could absorb a lot of that sauce. Now that we added the rice, let's add 1 more pinch of salt and 1 more pinch of pepper. And give it one last good mix. And now you're ready to serve. And, like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.